Dealing with a stubborn rear-view camera on your Honda HR-V? Let's get that fixed pronto. Rear-view cameras are a game-changer for safe driving, but when they stop working, it can be frustrating. First, let's check the basics. Ensure your car is in reverse. Sounds simple, but it's often overlooked. Still no luck? Examine the camera lens. It might just need a good cleaning. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dirt or grime. Next, check the wiring and connections. Loose or damaged cables can be the culprit. Look under the car and behind the camera. If everything seems fine, it could be a software glitch. Try rebooting your infotainment system. Just turn off the car and restart it after a few minutes. If the problem persists, a visit to your local Honda dealer might be necessary. They can run a diagnostic to pinpoint the issue. Remember, a well-functioning rear-view camera not only makes parking easier, but it's crucial for safety. So, take a few minutes to troubleshoot. It could save you a lot of hassle in the long run. Safe driving.